Hi and welcome to the video training of PHP. In this video training we will be building a domain expiration tool that will check certain domains which you have mentioned and which you are interested in and check them once in 24-hour cycle and send an email to you if any of them is expiring within the next 5 days. So basically, if the domain expiration date is just 5 days away from today's date, it will send an email to the concerned persons with the name of the domains expiring. This tool will be executed one time in 24 hours. So the API we are going to use is called whoapi.com, and you can create a free account on whoapi.com and you get the key, API key from there, and you get the query string within from their dashboard. So this is the query string request, and this is the response that you get from the web server, and here you are getting date expires, and this is the date when the domain is expiring. So this is the code, our PHP code that defines domains array, and in this array you can mention the domains which you are interested in. It can be one domain or it can be hundreds of domains. And after that we start with the for each loop and we go through each domain and we hit the API whoapi.com with each domain name, and we convert it into an array with JSON decode because the response is in JSON. Once we have the response in JSON decoded array, we check if the response is not empty, and then we take the today's date time and we convert the expiry date time to Unix timestamp format. Then we subtract target date with today's date and we get the date difference, and then we can get the number of days difference by using the round function and dividing the date difference by 16 to 24. So if the number of days is less than equal to 5, we send an email to the concerned authority. You can change this email address from here, and I'll be uploading this code to my GitHub repository, and the link to that GitHub repository will be mentioned in this video's description. So you can easily change and update this code as you required. And after that you can create a cron job on your web server, and you can mention that this cron job will run at 11 o'clock p.m. Once in a 24-hour cycle, and it will execute that script wherever that script is placed, and it will check if the domain is expiring within the next 5 days, and it sends an email to you. So let's see this in action. This is the dashboard where I created my API key and my stuff, and this is the code that we have here. And if I want to check this from my local computer whether this API is working or not, I can just echo domain and here I can say number of days difference, days, and here I can say days, domain, and here we can add a breakpoint, save the file, and if I run this in the browser, you see that we have the response here. Okay, date difference. I forgot to add a concatenation decimal point. So if I run this API, you see the domain techweber.com is expiring in next 49 days, and yellowvideodirectory.com is expiring in 172 days. So our code is working fine, and we can remove this line. This is just for debugging or checking whether your code is working fine or not. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So thanks for watching it. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel TechWeber. Just put an S at the end, TechWebers, and you can find it on YouTube. And just click the subscribe icon. Thanks very much.